matter how you feel. It doesn't matter if you're tired. It doesn't matter if you're overwhelmed. You find out a fucking way to overcome that challenge, and you make that shit happen. Motivation is bullshit. Motivation doesn't get anything done. Motivation gets you going. Discipline is what gets things done. Motivation is just a feeling. Grounded action is what gets things done. Now you get to work by doing it every single day.